Hi, my name is Yanis. I'm a local guide from Klaipėda, Lithuania, and every time I see a couple from a cruise ship wandering around in a very bizarre part of our town, it makes me wonder how good or bad are we in guiding people here. There's a lot of incredible stuff that our local tourism information center does. They're friendly and helpful, but it's just the tourism information center. They can't do everything, right? This video will be about all the other videos you might find on YouTube about my hometown. I was literally born here, and for the last 8 years I am working as a state certified guide here in my hometown. I know things around. Hear me out. All the other videos about this town, about Klaipėda, are either AI slop, when it's even not Klaipėda that's shown on the footage. They're just crappy videos. They are there to make you book a trip or a tour or visit some place. So there's a referral link in the description down below, and if you click it, they will get a commission for this. How do I know? Well, it happens to be my tour over there, and I had no clue and no idea about it whatsoever. It might be a second option, so-called influencers. They might be just traveling and they will reach out and will say, well, maybe you can fund us, or maybe you can give us a free tour, a free ride, a free restaurant, a free hotel. Sometimes our local travel agency, tourism agency, funds them directly. Sometimes it's our local tourism office that pays them basically and pays for all their services. And then they are being introduced to a local guide who he's not motivated because he rarely gets paid for that. So he shows them around. He just shows them the regular program, you know, the one that you might find on TripAdvisor yourself. So basically, top 10 things you're gonna see on TripAdvisor, that's probably the things that he is going to show them. And then you have all these crappy videos. Oh my God, my eyes hurt, my ears are bleeding. It's such a bullshit videos that they're making because, listen, I'm local, I know things around, and they will offer something like eat a local delicacy, the portion of zeppelini, and then travel to Koroni and Spit, and visit the Maritime Museum, and then you might also go to Delphinarium and do this everything at one day. I mean, listen up. After eating this portion, you will be feeling like a python that just swallowed a gazelle. Let me, local, show you around. Make sure you watch my first video about the essentials in this town. And if you have any questions or suggestions, the comment section is, always at your service. We are just gathering the information, what kind of tips and tricks you are really interested in this town. So all the useful information will be in the description link down below. Thank you and see you around.